Hey, here at Steve Morris Engines. Of course, I'm Steve Morris, and this is an engine that we just got done building and just get done dynoing for Raymond Hall. Kyle's been working on the tune-up. Aw, look at that. That was a happy guy smile. Anyways, so this is a 540 cubic inch Dart iron block AFR 385 cylinder heads in F3 136 on methanol. So methanol, that's hence the no intercooler going on up here directly into it. 2 sets of billet atomizer 500 injectors on Holley EFI. Coil on plug, obviously. This has the MSD 600 system. Obviously needs to have a coil driver. Injector driver box along for the second set of injectors. Now, interesting thing about this is this has been a project that Ray Hall's apparently been working on for a long time, because I looked back at the orders and I had sold him pistons for this engine in 2012. When he sent the engine back to us to have it upgraded to, he goes, hey, I was going to build this for gas. Now I want you to do it on methanol. He had the engine all together. It was brand new. It had never been started since 2012. So he goes, I want to upgrade it and change it into this. And it's like, all right, cool. So it's going in a Grudge car for him. That's all I can tell you on that deal. So this is going to be a really nice piece. So we did the conversion where it was on gas. So we did aluminum connecting rod for methanol. Did our different piston and ring package for methanol. And then obviously different camshafts. So upped camshaft, pistons, rods, the valve train, cylinder heads. The block was already all good. All that stuff was actually right spot on the money. And he had apparently been saving up his pennies and making everything, getting everything all working, and all the parts and everything needed, because he sent us the EFI system, blower, pretty much everything. So we're going to, oh, and this is a wet sump engine too. Little note, we did slow this blower down. We'll have to rewrite that on the tag here too. It had a 150 gear set, which in this application is spinning the bejeebas out of it. So for conventional wet sump, iron block, conventional headed big block Chevrolet, you're just 3,000 horsepower is like a really good number for them. Like really good number, really good number. So they probably can do it, but they have a tendency to break or have problems. So we back that down some. So we slow the blower down some so we can make a little more boost so we can make less boost but make more power at a higher RPM. If you spin the blower faster, the faster you spin the blower, the sooner this is very loosely paraphrased, okay, or very generalized, okay? The faster you spin that blower, the sooner the blower runs out of air. So it'd make all sorts of horsepower, and then if the engine is good enough, the engine would eat it all up and it would nose over. Okay, so anyways, we slow this down. It makes it easier. It makes it safer. And in a Grudge car, you spin these things really fast like this, and you make a whole bunch of low end power, a whole bunch of low end torque. You got to take it all out to get the car to go down the track, and then by the time the car catches up, the blower is laying over. So there's no sense in doing it. Spin the blower slower and make a better power curve for it. So that's what we've done right there. We're going to go out, we're going to run this thing. I'll show you the dyno pull, and then we'll go through and I'll have Kyle show you some stuff on the tune. All right, so 2662, 7890, and I think it probably just started to pull back on throttle, probably just a tick early. I seen it going up there. We'll close that. Dismiss. Here is our curve. So that looks really, yeah, it just laid over right here, but it was pretty much done climbing. I mean, it might make it probably right at 2700 at max if it went out there, past 8,000. But that's a really good, nice, safe spot that we want to have them at. And our boost is 36 pounds of boost right there. So we have this set up in a we could lean on this thing some more for sure, as far as leaning out the tune up a little bit. We'll look at the tune up here. Kyle will show you. We could lean it up a little bit more. We could add some more timing to it, but we want to send it out in a really nice, good, safe form for him. He's super happy with the power right where it's at, so that's cool. And we can look at some numbers here. You want to show some numbers? All right, as you can see there, 36 pounds of boost. Oil pressure 104. That's cool. Our target AFR, and our AFR is just it's a tick on the rich side, but that's all right. Like I said, we want to send it out nice and safe, but I think all the numbers look good there. You see anything you want to talk about? Tune up looks good, and it's only, what's your closed loop compensation?
-2.
-2. Pretty much across the board. And how much fuel is it calculating it's using? 4,500 pounds per hour of fuel is what it's calculating out to. So that's like a 1.6 brake number, somewhere around there probably. So I think everything looks really good. That is a nice stout piece, kind of our our normal top sportsman type Grudge car, top sportsman type big block Chevrolet package. They can make some more horsepower, but that's in a really nice, good, safe area right there where you're not going to have to kill a whole bunch of horsepower to make it work. But anyways, I think that's a really good deal. Nice job on the tune-up. Probably could clean that up a little bit, but otherwise, the silence. I'm Steve Morris. He's
Kyle Morris.
Have a great day.